Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. It's travel time. Many of you must be planning to explore places in and out of India, right? छुट्टियां है तो ट्रैवल तो करोगे ही। आप या तो अब्रॉड जाओगे या फिर भारत भ्रमण करोगे, दूसरी स्टेट में जाओगे, तो वहां आपको इंग्लिश का सहारा तो लेना ही पड़ेगा। Am I right? सो देखिए, आपको कहीं रिक्वेस्ट करना है तो कहीं डायरेक्शन पूछनी है, कभी शॉपिंग भी करनी है। सो टुडे वी आर ऑल अबाउट कॉन्करिंग those travel jitters and equipping you with the essential English expression to navigate abroad with confidence. Whether you are a seasoned adventurer or first-time flyer, this video will be your English language travel toolkit. Hi, those who don't know me, I am Archana Kayale. I am from Good to Excellence, and here we help our students to achieve fluency, confidence and success in their personal and professional lives. And please subscribe to our channel if you haven't yet to get such useful information. Now we will see before you go, that means before you start traveling, even before you jet off, a little English preparation can go a long way. So let's learn some useful phrases like about asking questions, request, information, and example of these phrases are asking questions. Excuse me, can I ask you a question? When you want to request, you can say, could you please recommend a good hotel in and whatever the area? Then understanding the information. How will you do that? How much does this cost? Or what time does the train depart? Suppose you are at the airport. Okay, now you are leaving. So you need to know common airport vocabulary, isn't it? Like passport, boarding pass and gate. Practice asking for directions to amenities like restrooms, baggage claim, or the information desk. Listen carefully to announcements for your flight and pay attention to signage. Now let's talk about for a taxi. So pay attention to the signage because they give where the taxi stand is. Then learn to greet people by smiling and nodding. Practice giving your destination address because the pronunciation can be different. So practice it. Learn basic numbers also because what happens in the UK, they call it O to 0. Then for public transportation, it can be easy with these phrases like to buy tickets, you can say one ticket to and whatever the destination is, like one ticket to Mayfair please. Then if you want to ask for help, you can say, excuse me, do you know if this bus goes to, okay, the same thing like, do you know if this bus goes to Mayfair? Then when we get to, you can say, can you tell me when we get to the stop and tell the name of the stop. Now at the hotel. So feeling comfortable at your hotel is important, right? So practice understanding responses from hotel staff regarding room availability, checkout times and additional services. Keep important phrases handy. Here's what you say. Checking in, you can say, hello, I have a reservation under the name of, and tell your name, like I have reservation in the name of Archana. Then making request. Could I please have extra towels? Suppose you have any issue. So how will you report it? Excuse me, the air conditioning isn't working in my room. Now let's check some phrases asking a guide for information. Practice polite questions for seeking information from your guides or locals. The phrases can be, can you recommend a good restaurant? Or what are the must-see attractions in this area? and be open to cultural differences in communication styles and expressions that can be different than where you are from. Now, while getting around, what happens? Sometimes you may feel lost. You don't know where you are, and feeling lost is no fun. So, here's how to ask for directions politely. Excuse me, how do I get to the museum? Sorry, could you repeat that? And of course, don't forget to express gratitude. You can say thank you so much for your help. Now you are at a different place and you want to try local cuisine, right? So exploring local cuisine is one of the best parts of traveling. But ordering food in foreign language can be daunting. So let's practice some essential phrases for dining out. You can say, I would like to order the local specialty, please. Or you can also say, could I have the menu, please? Or may I have the check, please, once you finished your dinner or lunch. Now let's check the phrases for shopping and bargaining. So shopping and bargaining, from bustling markets to chic boutiques, shopping is a cultural experience in itself. So brush up your bargaining skills with these phrases. How much does this cost? Is there a discount for buying more than one? Could you lower the price, please? And now the bonus tip. Body language is your friend. Okay? So a smile and a nod can go long way. Even if your English isn't perfect, don't be afraid of making gestures or using gestures to help you communicate. And one more thing, during emergency or in safety, you can use the phrases like help, call the police please, or maybe is there a hospital nearby, or I have lost my passport, can you please help me? Now we have seen the phrases, right? So practice makes perfect. Everyone knows that. So what do you need to do? Let's put these expressions into practice. And here are some ideas how you can do it. Find an English language conversation partner online. Role play travel scenarios with a friend. Or use a language learning app. There are many apps nowadays to practice pronunciation and vocabulary. And remember, the key to fluency is consistent practice. Don't be afraid to make mistakes, and that's how you learn. And of course, if you want to practice more and get into the mode of communicating fluently, so don't forget to WhatsApp us on the displayed number. So there you have it. With this essential language expression and dash of practice, you will be confidently navigating to the world in no time. Now get out there, explore and have an amazing adventure. और कमेंट पे लिखो आपका फेवरेट ट्रैवल डेस्टिनेशन कौन सा है, मैं ज़रूर पढ़ूंगी. So bye, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such kind of tips, and like and share the video. And happy traveling! I will see you in the next video.